Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode in your Taotronics SoundLiberty 53. Okay, so first of all you have to just put them to the case, close the case and open it after a few moments. And right now you have to take a look on these indicators. They will start blinking like that, blue and white. It means that right now they are visible to other devices. So when you go for the pair new device on any phone, any PC, you will find them on the available devices list. If it is not working for you, you can take them out of the case and this pairing mode will be also activate automatically. Unfortunately, you cannot turn it on manually. You have to click on the list and accept the pairing request. If this method is not working for you, there's like big chance there's something is wrong with them, and I can recommend you to use the shop warranty, because there's no any manual way to put them to the pairing mode or to perform the hard reset. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.